Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel TNB Academy. I'm Akanksha and today we are going to talk about something that sounds simple but has the power to completely transform your events. What if I told you that you don't need a massive budget, a big theme, or complicated strategies to make your event eco-friendly? What if just one smart change could reduce waste, improve your brand image, and even attract better clients? Sounds interesting, right? In today's video, we will explore that one powerful change and how it connects with ISO 20121, the international standard for sustainable event management. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will start looking at event planning in a completely different way. Now, first of all, look at the reality of modern events. Let's start with reality. Most events today, whether corporate conferences, weddings, or exhibitions, generate a huge amount of waste, from plastic bottles and food waste to printed materials and decorations. The environmental impact is massive. But here is the problem. Many event organizers believe that making an event eco-friendly requires a complete overhaul. They think it is expensive, complicated, and time-consuming. And because of that belief, they don't even start. But the truth is very different. Sustainability doesn't begin with big changes. It begins with one smart decision. And the one change here it is. The one change that can make your event eco-friendly. Shift your mindset from use and dispose to plan and reduce. This may sound simple, but it is incredibly powerful. Most events are designed for convenience. Items are used once and thrown away without thinking about their impact. But when you start planning with reduction in mind, everything changes. Instead of asking what do we need, you start asking what do we actually need and how can we reduce waste. This single shift influences every decision you make. Now, how this one change connects to ISO 20121? Now, let's connect this idea with ISO 20121. ISO 20121 is not about forcing you to eliminate everything. It is about helping you plan responsibly and reduce unnecessary impact. It focuses on identifying risk, managing resources efficiently, and continuously improving your event practices. When you adopt the plan and reduce mindset, you are already aligning with ISO 20121 principles. You start thinking systematically, making informed decisions, and creating events that are both effective and sustainable. Now, what happens when you start planning to reduce? Once you adopt this one change, you will start noticing transformations in multiple areas. First, waste automatically decreases. You avoid unnecessary materials, reduce excess printing, and minimize disposable items. Second, your resource usage becomes smarter. You start reusing materials, choosing sustainable alternatives, and working with responsible vendors. Third, your event becomes more organized because you are planning carefully. There is less confusion and fewer last-minute decisions. And most importantly, your event starts reflecting a purpose. It is no longer just an event, it becomes a responsible experience. Now let's talk about the real-life examples that make this change powerful. Let's make this more practical. Instead of printing hundreds of brochures, you can use digital invitations and QR codes. Instead of single-use plastic bottles, you can provide water stations. Instead of over-ordering food, you can plan quantities more accurately and reduce waste. Instead of disposable decorations, you can use reusable or biodegradable materials. Each of the decisions come from the same mindset, planning to reduce, and together they create a huge impact. Now, how this one change attracts more clients? Now, here is why things get really interesting. When your event becomes eco-friendly, clients notice. Today's clients are more aware and conscious. They prefer working with event organizers who care about sustainability. By implementing this one change, you don't just reduce waste, you improve your brand image. You position yourself as responsible, modern, and future-ready. And this directly helps you attract better clients, especially corporate clients who follow ESG goals. Now, how this one change prepares you for the future? The future of the events industry is clearly sustainable. clients will demand it, and regulations will enforce it. By adopting this mindset today, you prepare yourself for tomorrow. You stay ahead of competitors and build a business that is ready for future challenges. ISO 20121 gives you the framework, but this one change gives you the starting point. So here is the final takeaway. Making your event eco-friendly doesn't require massive changes. It starts with one simple shift, moving from use and dispose to plan and reduce. This mindset aligns perfectly with ISO 20121, improves your event quality, reduces cost, enhances your brand image, and attracts better clients. So the next time you plan an event, don't just think about execution, think about impact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And tell me in the comments what is one eco-friendly change you would apply in your next event. So if this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe TNV Academy for more such insights. I'm Akanksha and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.